profile on a YouTube, I put there my WhatsApp, my Facebook, my Instagram, and also most important is I have my Patreon there. Patreon. It's so excited. Spear. What's spear? Hello. No, I'm not. I'm a girl. Trust Jean. I'm a mommy with a son. It's bad, huh? I'm a girl. I'm not a gay. I'm a girl. Give me a proof. It's up to you if you don't believe. You just watch my video. If I'm a boy, no. I have my son. Hello to my 90 viewers. Hello, Masine Fasi. Spill milk. And hot milk. Hello, Cesar Gonzalez. For your information, I'm not a boy. I'm a girl. I'm a chubby mom. Guys, join my Patreon. I have my Patreon account. There I put. Good evening, everyone. Hello, Gravy Mahadra. Hey, Gravy. How much does it cost to contact in WhatsApp? Hmm? Why? Buy you. You go to my Patreon. You just member. I have their funny videos. It's only affordable price there. Boss sexy. Please speak English. Hey, stand up, please. Okay, I will stand. Joke. So pretty. Hi, Ella Bell. Elia Bell. You can see me clearly here because it's the ring of the light. Wow. Of course, if you need to pay money for your time on WhatsApp. No, I didn't want money, but if you want as much as you want, okay? Shake, shake, baby, shake, baby, shake, we shake, we shake. Oh my gosh, no showing here. You can watch on my showing on my Patreon. I recommend you there on my Patreon account. Shake, shake, shake. Go on. Shake, shake it, baby. I'm blown away from your beauty and amazingly beautiful body, goddess. Robert Benavides is from